children. Today we are going to discuss about satellites. Satellite is nothing but a heavenly body that revolves around a planet. Many planets have satellites. Jupiter is known to have the most number of satellites. More than 60 satellites are there for Jupiter. We all are familiar with Moon. Actually, Moon is Earth's satellite. Speaking more about Moon, Moon revolves around the Earth. It takes 28 days to complete one revolution. In addition to revolving the Earth, it rotates about its own axis. It must be noted that the Moon completes a rotation in the same time it revolves around the Earth. That is, the time of revolution is equal to the time of rotation. This is the reason why we see only one side of the Moon. Let's do an activity to show this. Earth. Now let's draw the orbit of Moon. Mark A and B. Place Moon at B. Give it a half turn. Still, white side of the Moon is facing the Earth. Therefore, we see only one side of the Moon. Since the Moon revolves around the Earth, the side facing us is not always fully lit up. When entire face is lit up, it is called full moon. After a full moon night, the moon starts waning. That is, it becomes smaller and smaller. After about 14 days, we can't see the moon at all. This is known as new moon. After that, the moon waxes or grows till another full moon. These changing shapes of moon are called phases of moon. Millions of years ago, the moon was also hot like Earth. When it cooled, a hard, rocky crust formed over it. At some times, huge rocks from space crashed into it. This formed craters or holes on its surface. When rocks crashed into the moon, the rocks from its surface thrown up and they formed mountains. Sometimes volcanoes erupted and the cooled lava formed dark patches on the moon. During a full moon night, if we look carefully, we can see the dark patches on the moon. These patches make the moon look like a face. This is why people used to think there is a man on the moon. Man-made satellites. We humans have made satellites that orbit or revolve around the Earth and some other planets. These are known as man-made satellites. They can work as laboratories in the space. They help us learning about the Earth and other planets. Moreover, they help us study the weather and send TV signals or phone calls over long distances. Other objects in the solar system. There are other bodies that revolve around the sun. They are asteroids, meteoroids, and comets. Asteroids are huge rocks. It revolves around the sun between Jupiter and Mars. Meteoroids are rocks in space. As they enter the Earth's surface, they burn up and look like fireworks in the sky. Then they are called meteors or shooting stars. Rocks with long glowing tails are called comets. These tails are made up of gas. With this, the chapter is over. Have a nice day. Thank you.